Drone News 2022 conveys 15 kilograms payload drone and the best professional drone. Its drone weight capacity of 15 kilograms. About the drone specifications read below. Number 1 Drone News 2022, a pack conveying drone that can convey 15 kilograms in 60 minutes. California, newly planned progressive robots are arising every day, and presently a sack-stuffed drone has arisen that can lift a load of 15 kilograms, 33 pounds, and fly flawlessly for 60 minutes. Number 2 Best Professional Drone. Prior, every one of the robots conveying such a lot of weight was extremely huge and weighty, yet presently a robot with a unique carbon structure has been created which can be conveyed starting with one spot then onto the next by a man easily. In this manner, it can assume a significant part in conveying help, medication, and food in mishaps. Mechanical Technology Organization in California. It was created by a continuous mechanical technology organization in California. Its carbon fiber structure is current. Its propeller arms overlay and therapist in an exceptional manner and can fit in a sack because of less space. The new robots are over twice more equipped for conveying weight than the robots that have been fabricated up until this point. Number 3 Drone Specifications. It very well may be fitted with an assortment of cameras and sensors simultaneously, including visual, rush, crown, and stepping stool units. Cameras can be turned 360 degrees for recording. The other significant thing is that the robot is in consistent contact with its administrator, and this correspondence is kept in spite of the separation of 11 kilometers. The 29,400 mAh battery mounted on it goes on for about an hour on a solitary charge. The robot can be utilized for business, military, and alleviation tasks at a basic cost of $25,000. www.thetechytube.com